And this is our table, and ang interval natin sa given is 8. So, kukunin muna natin yung range. And yung formula na ito is highest to lowest. So, di bale, ang highest dito is 78. So, ang lowest is 27. So, di bale, equal siya ng 51. Yan. Tapos, sa class size naman. So, ang class size is, formula na ito is range divide interval. So, di bali, ang range natin is 51, then ang interval natin is 8. So, di bali, ang equal niyan is 6.375 or 6 lang. Yan. So, kukunin na natin yung class. Yan. So, di bali, ang class is magsisimula sa lowest. So, lowest is 27. So, ang class size natin na nakuha is 6. So, magpa-plus 6 ka. So, plus 6 is equal to plus 6 equal to 33, 39, 45, 51, 57, and 63, 69, and 75. So, dito is magbawas ka ng isa para dun sa kadikit niya. So, eto, magbabawas ka ng 33 dito. So, magbabawas ka ng isa dyan. So, magiging 32 dito. 32, 38, 44, 50, 56, 62, and 68, and 74. Yan. So, dito is 75 plus 6 is 81. So, magiging 80 dito. Yan. So, magtatali na tayo, guys. Tali. Yan. So, sa tali naman, paano makuha is ito? 55, 63, 44, 37, 50, 57, 44, 57, 42, 46, 58, 40, and 54, 65, 39, 27, 28, 56, 38, 45, 30, 35, 56, 78, 55, 27, 50, 28, 44, 28, 39, 37, 37, 65, 43, 33, 70, 60, 61, and 60 ulit. Yan. So, i-frequency na natin yan yung magiging equal niya. Frequency. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay, 5. And 1. Ay, 5. And dito is 6. And 1, 2, 3. And 1. So, equal yan is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 20, 24, 29, 35, 38, 3940. So ang equal nan is 40. So this is it, guys.